Hello my friends and welcome to the channel. In this video very quickly I will show you how to record a Google Teams meeting. So unfortunately I wasn't able to find a native way to record a call. So for example, if we go to more, and as you can see there's no setting to record the meeting inside. As you can see, settings in more, no way to record. So I can just recommend you a very simple way that will basically work 100% of the times. Just use OBS. Alright guys, so just go to OBS. As you can see, I already have my camera here and display capture. Very simple. As you can see, I'm not really using anything else in here. So just go to plus. After that, go window capture. You can name it Teams, for example. Press OK. Select a window. So you need to select a window not with the app of Microsoft Teams, but with the window where you have the call itself. Okay, so that's going to be this one, or not this one. So for some reason it's not capturing the window. That's okay though, we can just delete this. So instead guys, just go ahead and record the entire screen. This will definitely work. So go to plus and then go to display capture. You can name it display, or you can name it Teams if you're only going to be recording your Teams. After that, just name it Teams, like this. Press OK. Choose your capture method. Just leave it at automatic. Choose the display. As you can see, this is my display. After that, press OK, and now your entire screen will be recorded. I can delete this now, but you will keep it. And this way, you just go back, like this, into your meeting, and now you're recording. Just make sure to set your hotkey to start recording and to stop recording in the OBS. And you're set and done. Guys, you're welcome. Press a thumbs up on the video if you liked it. Enjoy. See you next time.